Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Sorry, I haven't been uploading videos. I had a problem with my camera. I'm going to fix it. As you can see, today's video is different from others because I'm shooting this from my phone. I had problems with my camera. I'm going to fix it this week and I'll be uploading videos as usual. So today we'll beat Inter Allies 2-3 in day one, and it was a very interesting encounter because people were expecting Inter Allies to beat Kotoko because Inter Allies beat Mediama 3-0 at that place. Was it 2 weeks ago or last week? It was an intense game, and the game had everyone at the edge of the seat till the final minutes because everyone was expecting actions, because if you just blink they might score a goal, there might be a crucial action, and that was what happened. It was a very good advertisement for the Ghana Premier League because it was a 5-goal trailer, because everyone has this conception that African games end 1-0, 1-1, 0-0, and this was a very good advertisement for the Ghana Premier League. I was happy with the performance of the boys. That's apart from the fact that we conceded 2 goals. I'm also happy with Evans Adomako. You know, he scored 2 goals in our friendly game in Adako Jachi training grounds in our last friendly game, and he was rewarded by Mariano Barreto, and he has scored a goal and also given assist today. It was a very good game from him. I'm also happy for Andres Apeo. He scored his first goal in his second start for the club. That's incredible. He's very young, he's only 19, and he scored a goal already in the second start for the club. I'm very happy with his performance. I'm hoping that he improves. I know he had some areas where he lacked in today's game, defending set pieces, tracking down players. I'm hoping he recovers from that and learn and improves. And I know Yusuf Mubarak, Abdul Ghani, and Wahab Adams are all there to help him adapt and teach him to learn more. Then Emmanuel Jimfi played very well. He played very well. That was a very beautiful goal he scored. And also happy with Habib Mohamed. Habib Mohamed played very well, and even if we couldn't do much about the 2 goals we conceded, he tried his best to make sure that towards the end of the game, he tried his best to make sure that we didn't concede the 3rd goal and make sure we went home with all 3 points. Like I said earlier, it's at that stage of the season where we'll be talking about where result is more important than the way we play. Next season we can start building, but right now let's get that result till the end of the season. Let's get that result and stop those people from winning the league. We have to win the Ghana Premier League this season. We really have to, and we just have to be patient. We just have to handle pressure. We should stop conceding goals, because conceding goals is not good. I'm happy with the 3 points, but conceding goals is not good. You see, we tried to come back and score goals. Next time we might not be lucky to get more goals like we did today. So we should stop conceding goals. We should start scoring goals. It will be very bad if our opponents or our rivals win the league with a goal difference or something like that. It shouldn't happen. So we should start scoring goals and playing very well, and I think things is going to be okay. But I also want to talk about the defense. We looked disorganized whenever we had whenever the opponents had a counter attack, whenever they had the long balls, we looked disorganized, and that is something Mariano Barreto should work on. I know he came and he sorted out the attack. I think he should also sort out the defense, because right now we need to defend well if you want to win the Ghana Premier League. We really need to defend well if we want to win the Ghana Premier League. I think that is what he has to work on if we are going to pose a threat to us. But I'm very happy with the 3 points. That is the overall and the ultimate thing. I'm very happy with 3 points. I'm happy with the fact that Mariano Barreto rewarded Evans Adomako based on his performance at the friendly or training game they had at the Adako Jachi training grounds. And I think it will have an impact on the players if you perform well in the training and the friendly games we have at the Adako Jachi training grounds. You are going to get a chance on the pitch. I saw Emmanuel Sakode came back to the squad today, which means that he's probably playing well in the training and impressing the coach. So when Mariano Barreto said that if you impress him on the training ground, you see the first team appearance, and this has showed it with Evans Adomako. He scored 2 goals. He played today, 1 goal, 1 assist. Incredible performance. So overall, I've said a lot, and I think I'm very pleased with the win. I'm very happy. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about today's win? It was a very interesting encounter. I'm very pleased that we really got that win, because House of Oak and the other fans, they were teasing us to lose this game, and we actually won. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. That's all I have for today. So till next time, guys, goodbye.
Asma with a cross in, Adumaku's header, and Jemfi connects. Kotoko up by 1-0. 26 minutes. This goal is well worked. Brilliant stuff from the Porcupine Warriors. And this man here is excited. At least he's can put the troubles in Morocco behind him and celebrate Abalora. Good goal from Kotoko.
A very good goal. Very, very good goal. And look at where he's going, because Adumaku tees him up for the easy finish in the end. But that is great teamwork, and the captain leads by example by giving his team the lead. Emmanuel Jemfi has scored a very important goal this season. That is another one. Gama, as always, involved in the build-up. Asma with a hook into the box. All over the place, over far to the other side to Adumaku. He's on surface, sees his captain in an area where he could have a simple tapping, so he just pushes the ball back to him. Brilliant pass it is with the head to Jemfi. But the hook on the ball is brilliant. It is, really is. And Jemfi only had one touch to put the ball into.
Matthew's careful about the way he's tackling Keke, but the cross comes in from Nete. Jemfi was at the far post. Ball was blocked by Abanga, sends a cross in, and Kotoko are back in the lead. Adumaku, this time the scorer and not the provider. Asante Kotoko are back in front. Inter Allies 1, Kotoko 2.
And that is how you respond. And that is how you get yourself back into the game. On the defensive side of view, for Inter Allies' point of view, is disappointed, considering right from scoring. But great work by Keke using his body well. Net his balls into the far post. Jemfi with the first attempt was blocked, but that's well to keep it under his pole and put in a cross. Now Jemfi returns the favor to Adumaku. Adumaku did set him up for the first goal, and for the second is Jemfi to Adumaku. Again, easy finish in the end, but a mighty important goal for the Porcupine Warriors. The Warriors are not giving up; they fight on.
The Porcupine Warriors are fighting on. Fabio Gama to deliver. Yes, he sends one in. Header goes in. Oh, Asante Kotoko are back in the lead. And Andrew Appel scores his first goal for Asante Kotoko. Kotoko 3, Inter Allies 2. What a game. Rashid is gutted.
Oh, what a game. Well, we spoke about the lead from Mukbe. But he's repeated the trick and he's beating Inter Allies. Rashid said he can't believe it. Just when Allies thought that they were dominating, his Gama's ball into the box. It's another very good ball. Look at the jump, the leap, and the power in the header. Goalkeeper gets the hand to it. Not strong enough to tip it over. Oh, Apal, what a start.